How to fix can't add audio to Instagram Reel. Let's jump right into the steps. First off, you wanna go ahead and open Instagram, which can be downloaded through App Store. Then you wanna go to your profile and tap on 3 horizontal lines on the top right corner. And then you wanna tap on settings. After that, here you will need to scroll down to the bottom and then tap on logout. This type of problem may cause because of the account itself, so you need to log out and then log in again. If this doesn't work and you cannot still add audio to Instagram Reel, what you can do is you wanna go ahead and delete Instagram from your phone and then reinstall it from App Store. Tap and hold to the app and then tap on remove app. After that, you need to tap on delete app, and after it is deleted, you want to go to the App Store and then install Instagram again. And that is how you can fix can't add audio to Instagram Reels. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.